Many people are not well with themselves. The question is why? For example, because we want to eliminate envy, we want to eliminate jealousy, we want to eliminate our fears, eliminate our flaws, our problems. Basically, we want a perfect image for us. There are those who feel too proud, too possessive, and often feel like we always need to correct something about us. So what's the key? We need to learn to see ourselves as a tale. What tale would it be without the witch? What tale would it be if there wasn't an orc? What a trivial tale it would be if we told children a story in which everything is fine, in which there are no dangerous roads or there are no treasures to look for, there is no evidence to overcome. What tale would it be? Then we have to learn that in certain moments of life we need the witch, the side of our character that we don't like. These feelings can serve to remind you that there is a treasure to look for inside you. There is no hero who has not fought a battle. The main problem is in the fact that we struggle to eliminate our negative feelings. Without feelings like fear or jealousy means becoming fake. The treasure is hidden in a treasure chest that is almost always found in unknown territories. To find our treasure, we must take care of our downsides. Try to imagine that you need flaws to move on and discover the positives of your life. Our beautiful or negative feelings are the things that keep us alive day after day, without making any effort to drive away the witch who lives within us and take care of ourselves whatever happens to us. For example, if you have just been left and feel great pain, try to think about whether during the relationship you ever thought you were the one who wanted to end the relationship. Almost always the answer is yes. This makes you understand how some things that happen actually happened because deep down those things you wanted too. What was the real you? The one who wanted to leave him and didn't have the courage, or the one who suffers now that she has been left? A goodbye is part of existence. Try to think that when you broke away from the belly and it was a goodbye to the embryonic world, and when we finally learn to walk alone, is it not a goodbye to having to depend on someone? With puberty, for example, we say goodbye to the child and become men. Only through the farewell do we become independent. Many times a story ends because we need independence. If we don't understand it and try in every way not to end a love story that is already over, we are hurting ourselves. If we are sick, a conflict is created that regardless ruins relationships. Behind every negative thing that happens, there is behind a world, because for every goodbye we resist, deep problems are created, problems that block our evolution. Sometimes relationships last a long time, sometimes very little, but what matters is to go towards our destiny. We have to go towards our nature. If we want to always be the same, where everything flows perfectly, then we are abandoning our path. We need to discover our happiness through all sides of our beautiful and ugly character. Only in this way, we discover our destiny.